Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply magical transitions to our video in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and I'm going to apply magical transitions to this video. So first of all, I'm going to click on this transition button and I'm going to choose black fade transition. Then I'm going to increase the duration. After that, we can click on this check mark to go back to our video, and let's click on effect option right here and choose a video effect, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find celebrate option. So this is the celebrate option. Then we can click on magic transformation. It's right here. Just tap on it, then click on this check mark. Alright, and I'm going to drag the effect. Okay, and I'm going to check it first. Right, guys, and this is the result. Okay guys, that's how we can apply magic transformation to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.